Hi! In front of me is Honor X8, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this Honor. First of all, go into Devices Settings. In them, select Display and Brightness. After that, click on Screen Refresh Rate and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. I will go with high, so when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!